Hello everyone. Today I would like to present my PR campaign project for New Balance, focusing on a new sustainable clothing line called New Balance Green Motion. The main idea of this campaign is move better, life greener. Through this campaign, New Balance wants to show that being fashionable, comfortable, active, and environmentally responsible can exist together. For this campaign, I developed a public relations campaign for a new sustainable clothing line from New Balance. The campaign focused on sustainability and responsible fashion, and it's planned for a period of 3 months. The main target audience is Gen Z and young adults between around 18 and 35 years old. This audience was chosen because younger consumers are increasingly interested not only in how products look and perform, but also in how products are produced and their environmental impact. So this campaign uh, connects New Balance existing identity in sportswear with a stronger message about fashion, about sustainable fashion. Campaign background. The fashion continues to grow as consumers because increasingly interested in clothing that is not only comfortable and stylish, but also more responsible toward the environment. Younger consumers, particularly Gen Z and millennials, are becoming more conscious of how products are made and what impact they may have on the environment. This is why I created the concept of New Balance Green Motion. The campaign communicates the consumers do not need to choose between looking good, feeling comfortable, performing well, and caring about the planet. The main the main message, this campaign main message is move better, life greener. Campaign campaign objective. There are several objectives for this campaign. For first, the campaign aims to introduce green motion to young consumers like for Gen Z and millennials. The second, it aims to build awareness about sustainable fashion, responsible consumption. The third, I want to create I want to create a positive association between New Balance and active lifestyle and sustainability. The campaign also aims to generate engagement through social media, influencers, and a physical launch experience. Finally, we want to encourage consumers to actually try and purchase the collection through a limited launch over. This is campaign concept. The campaign concept is divided into three stages: discover, move, and inspire. The first is discover. At this stage, um, like consumers learn about sustainable fashion and become familiar with the Green Motion collection. And then the second move, consumers are encouraged to experience the comfort, functionality, and style of the Green Motion collection. Last but not least, inspire. After experience after experiencing the collection, consumers are encouraged to share their experience and inspire to other people to make more responsible for fashion choices. So the overall the journey is like discover, move, and inspire. This is target audience. The primary target audience is Gen Z and young adults, aka millennials, around 18 until 35 years old, who interest in fashion, fitness, running, and active lifestyles. Also, they are highly active on platforms such as Instagram and TikTok. Another important characteristic is that they are interested in brands that communicate meaningful environmental values. The secondary audience includes runners, fitness communities, students, young professionals, and environmental communities. Next, key message and campaign concept. The main message of the campaign is you don't have to choose between looking good, feeling comfortable, and caring for the planet. This is important because sustainable products are sometimes perceived as less stylish, less comfortable, or less functional. The Green Motion tries to challenge that perception. The campaign tagline is Move Better and Life Greener. And the campaign journey remains to discover, move, inspire. That idea is consumers first discover sustainable fashion, then experience the clothing through movement, and finally inspire others through their own choices. PR strategies and tactics. To communicate the campaign, I use several PR strategies. The first is social media awareness, especially through Instagram and TikTok. The content can include reels, feeds, posts, stories, polls, educational content about sustainable fashion. The second strategy is the Green Motion experience, which is a physical pop-up event. At the event, visitors can try the products, participate in a green talk, bring old clothing for recycle, and take photos at a photo booth, something like that. The third strategy is user participation. Through the Move Better Life Greener challenge and user generated content. Finally, there is a PR publicity like through press release, media outreach, testimonials, and even coverage. Together, these tactics allow the campaign to communicate with consumers both online and offline. Next, this is positive, comparative, and superlative. For the communication style, the campaign uses three levels. The first is positive communication, such as saying that green motion is comfortable and stylish and functional. The second is comparative communication, where the green motion is positioned as a more sustainable choice compared with conventional clothing options. The third is superlative communication, which presents green motion as offering a strong balance between comfort, style, performance, and sustainability. This message help communicate the benefits of the collection from different perspective. Next, this is offering and accepting. The campaign also includes a specific launch offer, which is the during the campaign period, customers receive an exclusive 15% launch discount on selected Green Motion products during the campaign period, plus a complimentary reusable tote bag for the 100 customers. The slide also demonstrates how a public relations representative could communicate the offer directly to customers. For example, the representative can first invite the customer to try the collection. After the customer agrees, the representative introduces the 15% launch discount and helps the customer find a suitable product for them. This demonstrate the communication process of offering and accepting in a realistic customer interaction. Next, persuasive communication. For persuasive communication, the campaign uses short and memorable message. One example is every move matters, every choose matters. Another is why choose between style and sustainability when you can have both. The purpose is uh the purpose of this message is to make sustainability feel simple, relevant to everyday custom consumers. The call to action is discover green motion, move better, life greener. So instead of only telling people that sustainability is important, the campaign encourages them to take action. Social media campaign. This is for Instagram feed post needed. Social media is an important part of this PR campaign because the main audience is highly active on Instagram and TikTok. The campaign can use visually attractive content to introduce the clothing collection and explain its sustainability message. Instagram can be used for feed posts, stories, reels, and educational content. TikTok can focus more on short form videos, challenges, product demonstrations, and user generated content. The goal is not only to advertise the products but also to create conversation and participation around sustainable fashion. Next, this is a poster design. For the poster campaign, The visual identify follows the green motion concept. The design uses natural and sustainable visual elements to communicate the relationship between new balance and environmental responsibility. The main visual message is designed to be simple enough for people to understand quickly. The poster help create awareness before and during the launch event and supports the overall campaign identity. Next, this is for even concept of green motion experience. The green motion experience is the main physical activation of the campaign of this campaign. There are six main activities. First is try green motion, where visitors can try the new collection. The second is the move zone, which provides we provide a mini workout or stretching area. The third is Green Talk, which is a short discussion about sustainable fashion. The fourth is Recycle and Reward, where visitors can bring out their clothing and receive a small reward from us. The another activity is the Green Motion. Is like um photo booth. W- Uh, the concept is watch your green move. Visitor can take photos and share their experience on their social media. This the last is the event also includes the exclusive launch offer, 15% discount plus free tote bag for the first 100 cons- customers. This gives visitors an additional reason to participate and potentially purchase the collection. Next, campaign timeline. The campaign is organized into several stages. In week one, the campaign begins with teaser content and social media awareness. In week two, the focus move toward product introduction and influencer content. In week three, the Green Motion Experience launch even takes place. And then week four, the campaign continues through the social media challenge, testimonials, customers, and campaign evaluation. This timeline creates a journey from awareness to product interest to physical experience, and finally to engagement and evaluation. Estimate campaign budget. For the campaign budget, several activities are included. The budget covers poster and promotional material, social media, content production, influencer collaboration, the Green Motion pop-up booth, uh, and even decoration and setup. The largest is in this section is influencer collaboration, followed by the pop-up booth and even setup. The These costs are necessary because the campaign relies on both digital communication and offline experience. The second part of the budget includes a reusable tote bag, and merchandise, product trial materials, even documentation, social media advertising, and expected expenses. The total estimated campaign budget is um 60.600 juta. This budget is designed to support the campaign's main communication channels, including social media, influencers, the physical event, promotional materials, and customer participation. Evaluation to measure whether the campaign is successful, I use four main evaluation areas. The first is awareness. This can be measured through social media reach, video views, poster exposure, and product page visits. The second is engagement. This includes likes, comments, shares, saves, hashtag usage, and participation in campaign activities. The third is conversion. This look at how many products were tried, purchased, and how many customers use the launch offer redemptions. Finally, there is a PR impact measure which measures media coverage, influencer mentions, positive feedback, and changes in brand perception. Finally, to conclude, the New Balance Green Motion campaign is based on a simple idea. Every move every move matters. Sustainable fashion does not necessarily mean giving up comfort, style, performance. Instead, it means making a more responsible choice. Through the Green Motion campaign, consumers can discover sustainable fashion, move in comfortable and functional clothing, and inspire others to make better choices. The campaign ends with the message New Balance Green Motion, move better, life greener. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.